Good afternoon, friends. We are at the second session of this particular uh, resource person talk. In the second session of this resource person talk, we have the renowned personality present to share his valuable view with us. Nothing but Dr. Gaikwad Dattatreya Krishna. I will warm welcome such a chief guest, Dr. Gaikwad Dattatreya, on behalf of Anjuman Islam Janjira Degree College of Science and Anjuman Degree College of Commerce, Vivardhan, for this international e-conference on post-COVID-19 situation. I will talk few about the sir. Sir has the worst biodata. Apart from this, I will highlight on their big achievement. Sir, working as a director of the sub-campus Osmanabad, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad. Sir started his career from the Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Sir worked as a head of Department of the Botany in the Shivaji University. Sir also worked as a director of the NSS cell in Shivaji University. Then Sir also worked as a director of Department of Student Welfare, Shivaji University. Sir also worked as a program coordinator NSS cell, Shivaji University. Sir worked as a coordinator and a program officer for the Shivaji University. Sir also work as a convener for the Youth Development Center, Shivaji University of Kolhapur. Then sir also work as a nodal officer for Student Grievance Cell and Anti-Ragging Cell. Sir has 10 different memberships for the university in the different position. Sir has the 18 years UG experience and a 13-year PG experience. The PhD students working under the sir are the 8 and the total number of PhD awarded are the 15. Also, MPhil, one degree has been awarded to one student and one is working under the guidance of the sir. Sir has national and international publication near about the 57 and sir has worked for the proceeding for the 4 different positions. Sir attended the 66 national conferences and the one international conference. Sir work on the research projects. Sir have completed the 4 research projects, major research project, and sir also work on the technology transfer projects. Sir is having the vast biodata. Sir received the and honored by the different awards. Sir received the state level based NSS coordinated award in the 2012-13. Sir received the Maratha Bhushan award in the 2013. Sir received the Sadhna award in the 2013. Sir received the youth award 2001 by Nehru Yuva Kendra Kolhapur. Sir received the Adarsh Nashabandi Yuva Manch Award 2000 by District Prohibition and that particular office Kolhapur. Then Sir awarded the second prize in the research competition at the university level. Then Sir received the second prize in the research competition at university level. Then Sir received the fellowship, direct award of the teacher fellowship from the UGC at the national level in the 94-95. This about the sir. Sir is with us to share his valuable knowledge, his thoughts based on this post-COVID-19 situation amongst us. I will once again warm welcome to the chief guest Dr. Gaikwad Dattatreya Krishna for this fruitful international e-conference on the post-COVID-19 situation. Now I will call the sir for his talk. Now, sir, it is over to you and thank you.
Namaskar. The International E-Conference on Post-COVID-19 Situation, jointly organized by Anjuman Islam Janjira Degree College of Science and Commerce, Murud Janjira. The president of this opening ceremony, Principal Dr. Sharad Fulari, The convener of this conference, Dr. Sajid Said, Sonali Pawar, and Nikhil Rajpurkar, and dear friends, participants. How the life after pandemic we will going to face. Really, the title of this conference is very informative and very important because the post COVID-19 situation is a major problem in front of the youth, young students, commerce, society peoples, and everyone. So, how is the situation after post COVID? Now, we are very much learn from this COVID 19 that stay at home, stay safe, everything. We start to think our future because during the course of this COVID 19, the different problems have been faced. But you know that during the course of this lockdown, TV has shown this corona very effectively as well as very intensively. What are the effects? What are the side effects? What are these and that and that and don't and so on. And due to that, there is a great awareness in the society to avoid or to take the care of this coronavirus. No doubt, no problem. But due to this pandemic, a pandemic of the disease, corona, such type of pandemic also happened in past during the plague, that pandemic of the plague, nearly about 1,400 deaths have been occurred. More than that, due to HIV, 1,56,000 deaths have been occurred. Thus, the spread of pandemic and epidemic diseases on this planet, these are going on. But the death due to the plague, death due to the cancer, or death due to the HIV, all these are these pandemics are the silent killers. You know, all these deaths occur silently. So these are the silent killer, these pandemics or these epidemics. But this corona pandemic, which is a fast killer. So this pandemic, some pandemics are the fast killer, some pandemics are the silent killer, but death occurred due to the silent killer pandemics. These are the higher than these pandemics, corona pandemics, or these fast killer pandemics. So during the lockdown period, the thousands of lives have been saved due to the not happening of the road accidents. You know that due to road accidents for every minutes, n number of deaths have been occurred. So due to lockdown, these things have not been happened. You know that. Also, during this course, that due to the fast killer of this pandemic corona, COVID-19, this disease, we have a great threat in our that these things are happening, these things are happening. Oh wow. So I think the threat of infectious diseases is not growing away or not giving away. So it will have enormous effects on the human kind. It has enormous effect. And that will make very terrific life. So what are the problems, different problems we learn that how to keep the distance, arrange the social programs, how to arrange with minimum presence the marriages, then the online teaching, online examination, online learning, everything. We becomes expert in all these things. And nowadays, due to these different types of, we are having different types of the opportunities also, because due to such type of this pandemic lockdown, we learn more intensively the various types of the techniques from the home. But due to this online teaching or online examination, online learning, there are the various types of the disadvantages of this also. Also, the students are knowing, or students are learning from these types of the various techniques, and no doubt. But what after now? After the over of this corona or post COVID-19, the situation, someone say that the jobs are lost, the industries are withheld, a lockdown, due to lockdown, these industrial jobs, government jobs, the government examinations, the competitive examinations, these are delayed, and the job opportunity becomes very very less. But now the second wave of corona is going on, which is increasing tremendously, and we have to accept the vaccination. The vaccination, if you go through the different types of the surveys of the company, Johnson and Johnson, or the different COVIDs, Covaxin or Cosil, different vaccines are there. So these vaccines, which are very very important in future, the Ahmedabad company, or that Zydus, who is going to prepare the RNA based vaccine, that might be very good or very protective one. But nowadays, the vaccines which are available in the market, we have to take that dose of the vaccine. In between these two doses, the threat of infectious diseases during the course of this after pandemic is there. But we should have to use this vaccine. After taking the vaccine, there are the different rules and regulations to develop the immunity in our body. It takes nearly about 21 days. Someone takes 1 month, or someone takes 3 months. That is the distance between the two doses of this corona, if it will be increased, there is good development of the resistance or the antibodies in our body. There are the several reviews, no doubt. But we should have to, as we know that before this, we are taking the Avilas or different types of the vaccinations. This period between these vaccinations, or the pulse polio vaccinations and different vaccinations, the period in between these two doses, which is 1 year, or which is a long period or lengthy periods. Due to that, it improves the antibodies in our body. In this also, there is an incubation of this period between the two doses of this COVID vaccine, which is also a different one. So you follow that one. In between that, your antibodies, how your body is going to respond, and how we are going to have that particular specific type. And someone's body which is having the different types of these vitamin, or the different types of the antibodies, or the resistance, immunity resistance in their body, which is different one. According to body, that immunity goes on differing one. So after post COVID, the situation is going on or changing on. No doubt, if one disease followed by the another disease. But after post COVID, you should be ready for any type of the situation, any type of the epidemic diseases which are occurred, or epidemic conditions which are occurred. So we should have mentally, physically sound, mentally and physically sound. So how will, after the COVID post-COVID situation, maintain your body. So you should have to follow your ancient social ethics, ancient social different types of the habits, regulations. So our ancient ancestors, they eat the good amount of the local varieties, local food. They avoid excess of medicines. Their foods are without hybrid. So avoid the hybrid foods, hybrid variety foods, local variety foods. Uh, Prepare to have the take that specific type of the food from the local religious, or avoid the fast foods. Due to this fast food or the hybrid food, different types of these, our body immunity goes on decreasing. So the local food is the most important to this. Use excess amount of the various types of the fruits, fresh fruits, as per the season. The seasonable fruits are available in our country, so you have to utilize all the seasonable fruits. These seasonable fruits, these are very good for to improve our immunity, such as the orange, pineapple, mango, citrus, lemon, grapes, pomegranate. Pomegranate is a very good antiviral fruit. You know that in pomegranate, all the antiviral properties are there. Pomegranate, orange, citrus, these are the improving our internal immunity as well as the vitamin C content. Then the different types of the antioxidants, flavonoids, etc. These are available in the fruits, the colored fruits, the cherry, plum, apple, etc. The n number of fruits are available. So you should have to, according to the season, you use all these fruits, which are calcium rich fruits, vitamin C rich fruits, or phosphorus fruits, phosphorus rich fruits. As per the season, you have to utilize it. That will develop the immunity, that will boost the immunity and the power. That is, the world is running behind the antioxidants. You know, the antioxidants, these are the very good type of the immunity boosters. They change your internal immunity to avoid. But not only the food, but along with the food, your food habit, you should have to change your lifestyle, and you should have to improve the immunity by, again, three types of the your change in the lifestyle. First one is the yoga, the yogic lifestyle. Yoga can build up your body. It makes your strong body strong. Pranayama makes your liver strong. Your livers become strong due to pranayama, and due to meditation, your mind becomes the strong. So yoga, pranayama, and meditation, these are your prime necessities. It becomes after the food, the yoga, pranayama, and meditations. You have to spend for few minutes for your body, for yoga. You know that, for your mind, for your body, or for your uh, we can't spend our time to these things, isn't it? If you want to service your car, if you want to service your car, you are maintaining your timetable. That is, after 3 months, after 4 months, after 6 months, or after how many this type of the running of the kilometers, you should have to change the oil, change the tires. You should have to change the brake, everything. We are and expending lot of money on that, maintaining the car. But for the maintaining our body, what type of time, what type of calendar is with you? You should have to maintain after this post-COVID. You should have to maintain, prepare your life calendar, maintain your body calendar. How to maintain your body, how to maintain your lungs, or how to maintain your the mind. Or you should have to maintain every day 1 or 2 hours, or nearly about 30 minutes of the walking. Walking can maintain your heart. It will strong. It will becomes, or it will keep the healthy your heart. So yoga, keep healthy your body. Pranayama, keep healthy your lungs. Meditation, keep healthy your mind. The mind becomes strong, then no one can beat you. Then during walking, heart become your strong. So all these things are necessary. All these things are necessary to maintain your good physic and good mind, as well as respiration. That lungs are very, very important. The importance of the lung, or the power of lung, or the healthiness of the lung, which is just realized by everyone us during this COVID pandemic. How it affect the lung, how it affect the respiration and our bloodstream, etc. Whatever it may be. So follow yoga, pranayama, meditation, walking, or jogging, or cycling, or swimming, whatever it may be. It will improve your overall physique, overall body. If it becomes healthy, what will happen? The healthy youth for the healthy society. What is meant by that? Healthy youth or healthy one, healthy human for the healthy society. How the society become the healthy? So you should have to eat the chemical free vegetables or the foods. The food nowadays, for the growing of the foods in agricultural field, n number of pesticides, n number of fungicides, n number of chemicals, these are sprayed to boost and increase the crop productivity and growth and development, to increase the yield of that particular crops and so on. To avoid the diseases, we are using n number of pesticides. We are using different types of the chemicals as the fertilizers. All these residues comes in these vegetables and the foods, and they will affect our genetic makeup, our genome, or our body. That will makes very, that will reduces the immunity. So if you want to develop the healthy society, you that healthy humankind or the healthy youth, which is the most important criteria, you should have to produce all the vegetables without chemicals, without the residues of the pesticides. You know that in pesticides there are the n number of residues. Due to that residues, in India, the nearly about 70% of the cancer is for the women, and only 30% cancer to the males. Why? The Dr. Rana from the Madras, he had surveyed that in India there is a method of frying of vegetables. We are giving the folding that spicy items with this oil, and due to this frying, what will happen? The vegetables which are having the residues of the pesticides, fungicides, chemicals, etc., whatever it may be, these are directly evaporated, burned during the course of this frying, and they come directly contact with that lady, our mother, our sister, and they inhale that particular. And you know that in case of the oil, groundnut oil, there is a one component that is known as the aflatoxin. Due to the aspergillus, this aflatoxin is present in ample amount in that groundnut, and in groundnut oil that gets diffused. If that aflatoxin, you know that during the course of eating of the groundnuts, if one groundnut becomes the tasteless, or that with that aflatoxin, it becomes very bitter, and immediately our body responds, and it we thrown away, we spit away immediately, because if that aflatoxin comes in contact with your skin or the vocal cord, immediately it creates the cancer. So it immediately reject. So such type of the aflatoxins through that frying oils immediately evaporate, comes in contact with that our mother, our sisters, or our women, whatever it may be. Because in India, most of the places, or most of the women are giving the frying their vegetables, and so in the kitchens, in the preparation of the kitchens, with these women are involved. So that's why all the women are having these different types of the breast cancer, the stomach cancer, esophagus cancer, brain cancer, then reproductive cervical cancer, and in every different types of the cancers are n number of cancers are found to be occurring in India due to this habit in India. So after this post-COVID, you have to avoid all these things. That's the pesticidal fruits. Use our vegetables. Use the organic culture. Or it will improve the vitamin C complex in our body, or the antioxidants, or the different types of the mineral content, and it will helps to develop your body very strong. So after this post COVID, the most important thing is that the jobs are we are taking, we are having, we are developing, we are getting, we are improving our different types of the commerce, different types of these industries are going on. They develop the various types of the jobs, and no problem, jobs are there. Okay, the economic growth is going on, everything is developing. The effects on this, our whatever it may be, social effect, or the per capita GDP, which is also we are going to increase. But how will you improve our body? How will you develop resistance against the silent as well as the fast killers, epidemic diseases? Against these diseases, you should have to use only and only the chemical free, organically grown fruits, foods, and etc. And you have to use it, not only grow, you have to use it, you have to apply it, you have to always take the care of all these things of our different society peoples, our childs. This will helps to develops the booster amongst you, immunity amongst you. If next type of the endemic pandemic diseases are, or such situations are developed, we should be ready, we should be always ready. Thank you. Thank you, one and all. I am very much thankful to this Anjuman Islam Janjira Degree College of Science Commerce, their organization, their management, the principal, my dear friend Dr. Sharad Purari, and their conveners and all participants for giving me this opportunity, as well as hearing patiently. Thank you, one and all.